This is Free Talk Business 1, Lesson 9 Review Tips for Making a Good Speech. I heard you have a speech next week. Let's talk about how to make a good speech. Yes, please. First, think about your tone. Your voice should match your message. If the topic is serious, the tone should be serious. Exactly. Also, emphasize important points. How can I do that? You can speak a bit louder or pause before the point. Got it. Should I memorize the whole speech? It's good to memorize key parts, but understanding is more important. Okay. I'm also worried about my pronunciation. Practice difficult words. Record yourself and listen. That's a good idea. Try to make your speech a bit dramatic to keep the audience interested. Like using stories or examples? Exactly. And remember to stay hydrated. Drink water before and after. Yes, I will. Finally, speak with confidence. Believe in yourself. Thank you, Mike. I feel better now. Okay.